few people have been asking me about the API 1169 pipeline inspection course. There's a few courses out there that you can take in a few places. This right here is Atlas. It's a training course, and that's the information below. And also there's another one called Velocity. I think it probably is a pretty good course. I've been doing some research on it, and I've spoken to a few people there, and it seems to be pretty good. Like they take you through everything you need, plus I think they give you the exam. But their information is listed on here. You get 24-hour access 7 days a week, and there's a lot of other information that they give you. You see they got audio and visual. Also, they got videos, charts. So they got a lot of information on their website. Then you have this one right here. I don't know too much about it, but it is out there, and I hear a few people talking about it. But if anybody have more information on this API 1169, leave some comments below, and I'm also do some more research.